Hi, my name is Tony and today I'm going to show you how to make a spicy cucumber salad from plantbasedonabudget.com. First, we're going to start by slicing the cucumbers in a very cool way. It looks so fancy. In fact, one time I went to a vegan restaurant in New York and it was really pricey. And they had this very dish for a lot more expensive than we're going to make it today. What I'm going to do is place 2 chopsticks around a mini cucumber. And then I'm going to make thin slices all the way down, pressing until my knife hits the chopsticks. Watch your fingers and go all the way down. I like to make mine on the thinner side, maybe about 1/4 inch. This is what it'll look like when it's cut. And I'm gonna flip it over on the very opposite side, put it between the 2 chopsticks, and now I'm gonna slice at an angle. You don't wanna go in straight lines again because then you'll slice all the way through your cucumber, but at an angle, it won't. Again, I'm going about 1/4 inch. I'm slicing all the way down until my knife hits the chopsticks. And now it looks like this. It's so cool. I love how these look. And when we make our salad, it'll make the dressing go all throughout the cucumber. So we're doing 6 mini cucumbers. They all look like this. I have already pre-cut mine. If they're a little stuck together, like some of these are, I don't want to break them apart, but I want to make sure that the dressing is going to get inside. Actually, I just broke one apart. So be gentle, more gentle than I am. And throw them all in one large bowl. Ah, okay, there we go. I'm gonna set these aside now. In a small bowl or cup, we're gonna make the dressing. I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon of salt. This recipe calls for fresh ginger and fresh garlic, but if you're like me and your husband ate your ginger, then you can use ginger powder, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Ideally, we would be using fresh ginger, and I have the measurements in the caption below. But again, my husband probably put it in his smoothie. I was gonna add in a little bit of ground ginger, but I do have some fresh garlic to add. This is 1 clove, and I usually say go wild with some garlic, but I feel like this can easily be overpowered by garlic, so I would do 1 clove, 2 cloves max. This is 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I use a low sodium soy sauce. You can also use tamari if you are gluten-free. Add in 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. Add in 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1/2 teaspoon of agave nectar. Some crushed red pepper flakes. And I'm adding in about 1/2 teaspoon, but if you like yours to be really spicy, you can add in more to taste. Then I'm gonna stir it up and add it to my bowl of cucumbers. Then you can optionally add in some sesame seeds for garnish. And if you have green onions on hand, I would slice those up and toss those in too, and that would be really tasty. I'm gonna mix everything up, but again, I'm gonna try to be as gentle as possible. I'm actually gonna add them to a stasher bag right now to make things a little bit easier. Just gonna pop each of them in there. All right, I have it in my bag now, and I'm gonna shake it up. Make sure that all of the cucumbers have some of this dressing. Now I'm gonna add it to a serving dish. This spicy cucumber salad is so easy and so fun to make. It took me about 15 minutes to whip it all together, and I'm gonna give it a try. They look and smell fantastic. They're so good. I'm gonna put the recipe link in the caption so that you can print it out if you want. If you do decide to give it a try, please let me know in the comments what you think. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.